Hello, welcome back guys to Amalia Projects here. Today in this video I'm going to show you a tutorial how to add signature in Gmail on Android. But before it, I hope you guys click subscribe and the bell button to support the channel. And without any further ado, let's get started with the video. Well guys, firstly here of course you just have to open your Gmail applications. And now in this Gmail, if you wanna add the signature, you just have to go to this three lines icon at the top left in the corner of your screen. And now you just have to scroll it down until you find here at the bottom the settings icon, the setting options. And after, you just have to choose your Gmail account. I'm gonna use this third option, which is my third account. And after, scroll it down again until we'll find here the option which is mobile signature. If you want to add your signature, just go ahead. And as you can see, there are not set here guys, not set yet for my signature on my Gmail account. So here I'm gonna add for my signature. And if you're done, you just have to tap on this OK. So there are my signature for my Gmail account right now, guys. And I think it's enough from me. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to leave your like and comments below, and I'll see you soon on the next one. Goodbye.